हे दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक। आज हम देखेंगे टॉप 3 बजट फ्रेंडली साइकिल्स जो अमेज़ॉन पे मिल रहे हैं। एक अडल्ट माउंटेन बाइक, एक स्टाइलिश सिंगल स्पीड और एक किड्स साइकिल। मेन तुम्हें बताऊंगा मॉडल नेम, की स्पेक्स, करंट प्राइस रेंज, प्रोस कॉन्स और रिव्यू रेटिंग ताकि आप जल्दी डिसाइड कर सको। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक कोकाटू CBC 05 एलीट सीरीज 26 इंचेस माउंटेन बाइक, 21 स्पीड। मॉडल नेम कोकाटू CBC 05 एलीट सीरीज। की फीचर्स स्पेक्स 26 इंच व्हील्स, 21 स्पीड ड्राइव ट्रेन, 3/7 कार्बन स्टील फ्रेम विद फ्रंट मैकेनिकल सस्पेंशन fork, leather style saddle, multiple gears for climbs and city roads, semi-assembled delivery and typically comes with a limited manufacturer warranty. Current pricing frequently listed around the 7,000 ban on Amazon. Price varies by seller and offers. Pros: good gear range for hill plus city riding, easy assembly for a home mechanic and solid value for money. Cons: finish quality can vary across batches. Some buyers report issues with packing or minor setup adjustments post-delivery. Review ratings and buyer vibe. Overall mixed to positive with many buyers giving 3.8/4.0 and calling it good buy for the price. Though Geekay hashtag single fixed speed mountain style cycle 26 inches. Model name Geekay hashtag popular hashtag series. Key features specs: sporty mountain style frame, carbon steel options on different SKUs, 26 wheels, single speed. Some variants offer geared 21 speed, powerful dual disc or V brakes depending on model, alloy rims and quick release saddle on some versions, usually 90-95% pre-assembled. Current pricing: Geekay hashtag models vary a lot by spec. Typical street price range seen 6K, 12K depending on brakes, gears and seller. Pros: eye-catching sporty looks, low maintenance on single-speed models and strong stopping power on disc brake variants. Cons: check exact variant on the listing. Brake type, gear count differ, and expect small assembly adjustments after delivery. Review ratings: generally positive for value and styling. Check the exact ASIN for live rating before buying. 3. Lifelong LLBC 2001 Tribe 20 inches kids cycle. Model name Lifelong LLBC 2001 Tribe BST. Key features specs: 20 inch wheel size, single speed kids bike targeted at 5-8 years, height 3 plus, 85% pre-assembled delivery, coaster front brakes and steady children's frame with fun graphics. Current pricing commonly listed in the 2K 4K window on Amazon depending on stock and offers. Pros: colorful kid-friendly design, good basic components for casual riding, easy to assemble and widely available service parts. Cons: meant only for casual short rides, not heavy off-road. Some buyers pay for professional assembly after delivery. Review ratings: many verified buyers rated around 3.8/4.0, praising value and build for the price. बस दोस्तों, ये the top 3 quick cycle picks. Adult all-rounder, Cockatoo, style plus low maintenance option, Geekay, और kids pick, lifelong. अगर चाहो, मेन इनमें से किसी एक का डिटेल्ड अनबॉक्सिंग असेंबली प्लस राइड टेस्ट बना डन। कमेंट में बताओ कौन सा चाहिए और वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब जरूर